So for this design, we're gonna make a balloon bird on a swing. For this, you're gonna need a 260 balloon. You're gonna have 2 fingers of a tail. You're gonna make a small bubble, about 1/2 inch. Then you're gonna make a 1-inch bubble, just like that. Now you're gonna grab the nozzle, and you're gonna twist it, wrap it around this bubble here, underneath here, okay? So go ahead and twist that. And then you're gonna get this nozzle, and you're gonna put it behind this bubble right there. Now you're gonna go all the way in the bottom. You're gonna squeeze the air out. And you should have about maybe, I would say, a hand length, like a 5-inch bubble. Wrap it around this bubble here. It's gonna twist from here to here. And now you're gonna get this balloon. You're gonna go down and about 3 inches. Okay, now you're gonna leave a little bit out. Okay, like 2 fingers out here. You're gonna grab all these 3. Okay, you're gonna hold it with your hand, squeeze a little bit, and then you're gonna twist. Then you're gonna put this up. And the nozzle here, like if it comes undone, just hide it somewhere. Okay. Now you have a bird on a swing. Make sure you fix it, make it look good. Have a little bird on the swing. For the Sharpie, draw 2 eyes, little smile for the bird, 2 dots for the nose, some feathers, and now you have a cute little bird on a swing.